Hi, I'm Karen Calabrese, and I'm here for eHow.com. And today we're going to do some dehydrated veggies. I chose today to work with you with an eggplant, and at Karen's we call it bacon. In the raw world you can make it whatever you want it to be. So we're just going to take eggplant, we're going to slice it very thin, we're going to put a little sauce on it and dehydrate it. It's that simple, and you could do it with any vegetable. So we're going to take our olive oil, use lots of olive oil to coat it so that the flavors stick, and it adds a little fat to it, to the vegetable. We're going to add our pink Himalayan salt, and we're going to make sure we coat all the eggplant. Now for the real secret that I do, because eating is all about the visuals, so much of it is about the visuals, we're going to add some beet juice to make them red. And the beet juice will make it look like bacon when we're done. All right? Now you could add all kinds of flavorings to this. You could add Cajun flavoring to it. You could add Jamaican spices to it. You could add Italian spices to it. You could add curry and Indian spices to it. There's no end to what you could do to flavor this eggplant. I would just use the olive oil and the salt for the base, and then you could flavor it with whatever your heart's desire, or maybe your culture dictates. Now we'll put our dehydrated bacon eggplant on the sheets. Now you have dehydrator sheets. If you don't have the Teflon sheets to cover it with, you can use saran wrap. That's about all you can use for the dehydrators are saran wrap if you don't have the Teflon sheets that go in them. So we're just going to place our eggplant, but remember it could be any vegetable. It could be a turnip, it could be squash, anything. We're just using eggplant today for our dehydrated veggie. You use your imagination. That's the beauty of dehydrated foods and raw living foods, is there is no end to what you can do. So we'll cover this. We'll put it in the dehydrator for approximately 12 to 16 hours at about 115 degrees. And we'll have bacon or dehydrated veggies. Our finished product, the bacon, made with the eggplant. At Karen's Raw in Chicago, we like to make a BLT with this. Lettuce, tomato on raw bread. You think you're eating a BLT sandwich. So thanks for joining me at eHow.com. I'm Karen Calabrese.